This is Minar-e-Pakistan. It is in Lahore, Pakistan. It is very tall. It is very special.
Good morning! Today, Lucky and I have a plan. We are going to visit Minar-e-Pakistan. Are you ready? Let us go! Look! Can you see it? That is the top of Minar-e-Pakistan. We are almost there. This sign says Minar-e-Pakistan. Minar means tower, so the name means Tower of Pakistan. Good name, yes? Oh, it is so big! Lucky, look at this!
Look at the bottom of the shape. It looks like a flower. The flower means happiness.
There are 4 platforms. Each one uses different stone. The first... Look at the Minar's neighbors. That is Badshahi Mosque. Built in 1670, together. Lahore is a city of history. I am sitting on the same ground where history was made. Brave people stood here and said, we want a better future. And they were right.
But wait, do you know why this tower was built? There is a big story, a very important story. Come, sit with me.
Long ago, Pakistan did not exist. This land was called British India. Many different people lived in it. The Muslim people wanted their own country, a country where they could live freely. They called this dream
On March 23rd, 1940, a big meeting happened, right here.
With faith, unity, and discipline, we shall achieve our freedom. Pakistan Zindabad!
7 years later, on August 14, 1947, Pakistan was born. It was a new country.
And so people wanted to remember that day forever, the day of March 23rd, 1940. So they built this, Minar-e-Pakistan.
Every year on March 23rd, Pakistan celebrates Pakistan Day. People come here to remember. This tower is a thank you. Let us remember. 1940, big meeting. 1947, Pakistan was born. 1960, construction started. Can you remember all 4 dates? Lucky can.
The designer was Nasiruddin Murad Khan. He was an architect, a person who designs buildings. He came from Russia, but he loved Pakistan.
Construction started in 1960. It took 8 years to build. It was finished in 1968.
Here is a fun fact. How did Pakistan pay for this tower? They asked people to pay a little extra money when they bought cinema tickets. Movies helped build the Minar. Around the Minar, there is a beautiful park. It is called Iqbal Park. There is a lake, flowers, and fountains.
The Minar has the crescent moon and star, just like the flag of Pakistan. They stand for Islam and peace. This tower, around the base, there are 10 marble slabs. Words are written on them. The Pakistan resolution is here. These are very special words. You can go inside the Minar. There are 324 stairs, or you can take the elevator. The elevator. Lucky chooses the elevator. And from the top, you can see all of Lahore. Look, the Badshahi Mosque and the Lahore Fort. Lucky says, beautiful. Let us remember today's words. Tall building, resolution, monument, to remember Hindus, being free, architect, designs buildings. Now I have a question for you. Have you ever visited Minar-e-Pakistan? Or is there a famous tower in your city? Tell me in the comments, I want to know. Lucky wants to know too. Today's lesson. History is not in books only. History is in the places you visit. When you visit a place like this, you learn English and you learn life. Today was very special. This tower is not just stone and marble. It is a story of hope, a story of home. If you enjoyed today's story, please subscribe. Every week, Emily and Lucky visit a new place in Pakistan. We learn English together. Next week, a very famous mosque. See you then! Thank you for watching Emilly English Course. Episode 2, The Tower That Tells Pakistan's Story. Learn English, one story at a time. Lucky says goodbye. Lucky wants you to come back next week. Lucky! Goodbye from Lahore. Watch the next video right now. Turn on the notification bell. See you in Lahore again soon.